human beings. They will lie to you. They will lie to us to get in the place of power. Because man lies, period. I don't trust any man. Man lies. And I don't trust any man. It's not because I have anything against the man. It's just I'm trying to live by the word. And I'm trying to make sure that I'm sane. I'm trying to make sure that I don't I'm not putting too much expectation on people. That's very important. I'm not putting too much expectation on you. I'm not forcing you to be who you are not. Be who you are. Force all the documents you can force. That is your problem, not mine. You understand? Lie all the lie you can lie. It's because you're a human being. So human being can lie. I don't even know how else to say it. But can maybe say now, are you saying human beings should lie? I'm not saying human beings should lie. I'm just saying human beings can lie. Human being must to lie. Otherwise, God will not tell us that all liars will go to hellfire. God will not tell us to put away